I don't wanna hear you bitch no more. I was better off a year before. No matter how I try, I can't ignore. Every time I think my brain gets sore. Why I'm with you.
Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and let you know right now that the first like 2 minutes or so of this video is pretty much me just doing an unboxing of the chucks and the wheels. So if you don't want to watch any of that, if you just want to skip through that, then in the comments down below, I'll have a timestamp of when I actually start skateboarding. So if you just, again, if you just want to skip over the whole unboxing thing, because I know it might be boring, then you can just go down in the comments and then you can, you know, just see what time it is for the skateboarding. You can go check out the skateboarding if you want. So yeah, let's jump right into this video. So right here, I just have a sheet of clear grip tape. It's mob grip tape. But look at this. I have new trucks, Garrett Ginner Pro model. I did get 2 of them because I'm not just gonna get one. The other one's right here. So I ordered some new wheels since I got trucks, and I also needed a new board. I've never skated, these are Krux by the way, I've never skated Krux, I've never skated Rictas, so I figured it would be nice to try out new things.
Damn mama, I don't wanna sign up, no way, I'll chill getting commas, like my dad, I'm a grinder, oh yeah. My mama called. Yeah. Can you feel it? I used to feel so devastated. At times I thought we never make it. But now we on our way to greatness. And all that ever took was patience.
In my box right now. I don't know. Ah. Hey, that's that shit. I'm looking at you, Six. Ah. So this one is fucking pissing me off. Fuck me, dude. Ah! Fuck me, dude. Fucking kill myself. That wasn't a 50-50. I just... God! God! Oh my God, really? Because I didn't do the fucking 50-50. Fuck me. Fucking kill myself. Why? Why couldn't I have done the rotation? Ah! Oh my God, why? Why couldn't I have landed that? No. Nice. Ah. Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck. Fuck!